Patience is the edge. Anyone can mark levels. Most traders rush mid-range. At ES Daily, I wait for the flush of a critical level. Then I wait for acceptance. I only buy on a confirmation, once price has told the liquidity needs were met. On August 11th, I waited all day. At 3:51 p.m., ES flushed 63.91, reclaimed, and the trade of the week was born. Flush beats grind. I wrote this in the game plan. I want steady selling plus sharp hit into 63.79 to 63.91, followed by immediate acceptance and reclaim. No grind, no knife. That's what we got. I waited all session, no rush, no front running. Then at 3:51 p.m., flush, acceptance, reclaim. I entered at 63.91.50. Trade activated, live in the chat. From 63.91.50 to T1 at 64.04 to T2 at 64.17. Then I decided to take a T3 as we were squeezing into a channel top. This was the extension 64.61.25 into CPI, each aligned with pre-mapped structure. 63.91.50, defended. 64.17 resistance, then flipped to support. This matches the game plan logic and the next day behavior. As T2 was hit, I moved my stop to break even. Then I moved my stop as price continued its launch. This locked in gains as the runner was running. And it wasn't just me. Dozens of subscribers took this trade live using the same structure, same risk-first approach, all from the game plan. What made this trade special? Clear reclaim zone mapped in advance, sharp flush to no grind, confirmation before entry, levels respected and flipped, profits taken as planned, not on feeling.
This is structure. This is patience. This is the system.
These aren't one-off trades. They're repeatable frameworks, shared in advance every single day inside ES Daily. Want setups like this before they happen? Subscribe at esdaily.com. Every level, every zone, every day. Like, comment, and subscribe if this helped you trade better. I'm PriceTrader. Trade with structure, guard your capital, and I'll see you in the next one.